Hi, everyone. We are the paralegals at the Nieves Law Firm. So today is Team Thursday, so we wanted to give you guys a rundown of what happens in the Nieves Law Firm, what our job entails, things like that, why we chose to become paralegals at this point in our lives, and yeah, so you guys get a little taste of us right now. So I just want to go through our life, what we do on a day-to-day basis. Typically, I get here really early. So does Monique, and our life is just encompassed by a lot of things. Our phone never stops ringing. We always are on the phone with potential new clients, current clients, the courthouse, judges, opposing counsels, you name it, we're on the phone with them 24/7. And yeah, we're typically on the phone. We do a lot of policy and procedure handling, creating, drafting, implementing new policies and procedures every single day. We have meetings every single week to go over new policies and procedures, to go over all of these cases that we have going on. Yeah, so our lives are typically encompassed with a lot of stuff each and every day.
We also make trips to court and file things, so we got to run down to the courthouse sometimes. Time is of the essence, so we got to hurry on over, file something, so that way our clients are satisfied with the timeliness of things being filed. So that's another big thing that a big responsibility for us. So
yeah, something that I love though, going to the courthouse. It's not far at all. It's literally like 15 minutes. Just go there. I love the space where we're at right now. Central, downtown Oakland. You get to the courthouse. Like, it's very easy to find us. So I love it.
Yep.
Anything else?
No, I think Ebony covered the day-to-day pretty accurately.
Okay. So I also want to touch on our roles and how long we've been here. I've been here since June of 2017. I've been working for Joanna for that long. I've also was an intern with her a few years ago, so I've been able to get to know her more, and I love her as a boss. As an attorney, she is amazing. Monique has been here for a few months now. Really?
I've been here almost 3 months. Yeah.
How do you like it?
So far, I love it. So criminal defense has been a job. I've been looking for a position in criminal defense for a while, and I have a lot of paralegal background, just not in a criminal defense setting. And I went to school and studied justice studies with a minor in human rights. So I have my bachelor's in that. So I've always wanted to get into the criminal side of things, and I was blessed to find this position and to find Joanna. And I've liked it so far. I've gotten very good experience here and really good exposure to what criminal cases look like.
Yeah. So just a heads up, if you guys ever call into our office, you will either get me or you'll get Monique.
We're the first point of contact, ready to help you.
With a smile on our face. Yeah, so like Monique said, she has studied criminology. My major in school, I had two majors, criminology and sociology. I double majored, graduated in 2013. Came out here, fell in love with the criminal defense system, and just continue to just learn more about the process. My goal is to become an investigator at some point, to have my own firm, and I feel like working at the Nieves Law Firm will help me in achieving that goal. So, yeah.
So for me, I've been in the Bay Area pretty much, I would say, my whole life. Born and raised in California. Went to school at San Jose State. I already told you guys, graduated there in 2016. So what my favorite thing about criminal defense is that every case is not the same. Like, there are no cases where it's exactly the same thing that has happened. Whether, just client stories or just everything is different. Even if it's the same type of case, like the storyline is always different, which is very interesting, as well as the people. And then so, what did you say? You said, no. So yeah, I've been, that's what I think my favorite part is. And I do plan to apply to law school, so that's how I feel the position here with the Nieves Law Firm would help me, just to gain experience in a law firm, especially in criminal law, because that's what I want to focus on in law school. And I do plan to apply this year. So those are my future goals, and I do want to practice criminal law in the future as well.
So like Monique touched on, my favorite part of the criminal defense process is speaking to all of our clients, potential clients, of exactly what's going on, being a listening ear, being able to speak. Like I said, my majors were criminology and sociology, so I like speaking, talking to people, and kind of getting that all lumped into one, doing potential client intakes and all of that stuff, being the first point of contact before they speak to an attorney about their matter. I love it. It's great. So yeah, that's just our lives, what we love about working at the Nieves Law Firm, what we love being a paralegal here, things like that. A little background of us. If you ever call in, this is who you're going to get. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys had fun talking to us. What is tough about your job? Hi, Joanna.
I think the only tough thing is when, let's say the day is going by pretty smooth, and all of a sudden there's just all these things that come up, like, oh, we got to get this filed, we got to do this, we got to do that, and then it gets a little like, time is of the essence. So knowing how to really like manage time in this position is big, and knowing and prioritizing things can get tough, like knowing what to do first and stuff like that. And I think that's it. That's what I think is tough about the job sometimes.
Yeah, I would have to agree, knowing what to prioritize. Right now, everything is high priority. We have a whole task list that everything is high, like on our task list, everything's high priority. And just knowing when to be able to push some things back where other things can step up and get it done like ASAP. I also think, yeah, that's it, I think. Just dealing with tasks and managing them on a day-to-day basis.
I guess sometimes, once in a while, like certain clients that come through, it could be a little tough because, they want to tell you their whole life story and what's going on. And we want to empathize with them and whatnot, but, we have to learn how to really talk to them, especially when they're really emotional and panicking because of their situation. Learning how to empathize with them and really talk to them can be tough sometimes, but I like doing it. So.
Yeah, let us know if you have questions, anything. We will feel free to answer any questions you guys have. If not, then we are going to end this live. I hope you guys had fun with us, talking to us. You might see us later in the future. You might not. We don't know. But we're happy to be doing this today.
It's definitely a possibility with Joanna always in and out of court. We might have to pop in every now and then, but we'll see.
Get to see our lovely faces. Yeah. So
nice hearing from you too.
Hi, Ray.
Thanks for tuning in.
We'll see you guys later at some point. Bye.